good morning, my dear friends and family. Hope you're doing well. What a beautiful sunny day today. The reason I'm here today is that I just want to share my experience that today, this morning, it was 3:45 when I received a phone call from my dear friend Shashi Asanand, with whom I sit on our Pacific Prisons Advisory Committee. And I was bit surprised and concerned that so early, and Shashi is not the one who calls me so regularly, and what's up? So I called her back and I asked, how is it going, Shashi? Like, everything okay and all? She said, all is well. I just wanted to discuss with you what you're thinking about Women's Day. Today is International Women's Day, and what is your perception about being a woman? I said, wow, at 3:45 a.m., my co-woman is asking me, what do you think about who you are being a woman? It made me think. So we had a long chat, almost for an hour and a half, despite things are going on in our life. And I said, wow, okay, let me think who I am. I know this year the theme is challenge to choose, or choose to challenge. I don't know what I'm challenging. Maybe I'm challenging myself to be a better version of myself. I think that's my challenge forever, to be a better version, being a woman or not. But today I just thought, I said, okay, I'm choosing to challenge myself to be a better version. And she says, no, beyond that, what do you think who we are as women? Because Shashi has been executive director of family services, and she has helped and uplifted lots of women and men in relationship issues, and so many, lots happening in everybody's life. Shashi has been instrumental, and I love being with her on our committee for Pacific Prisons. And I have lots of other wonderful women in my life who has a lot impacted me, I can say, to transform me what I am today. And few names are, first of all, my mother, my daughter. They are my best critics. Satvinder Bains, she has been a feminist, and all her life she has been talking about about feminism in Sikhi and feminism in life in general. Why can't we have those privileges which men have just because for being women? And we gave a big comprehensive brainstorm who I am. So I said, okay, Shashi, I have written few lines if you want to hear what I think who I am. कि मैं औरत हूँ 108 है मेरे रूप स्वरूप और मेरे नाम. कभी बचपन से पैदा होती हूँ तो मैं बेटी कहलाती हूँ, कभी बहन हूँ, कभी बीवी हूँ, चाची हूँ, मासी हूँ. बहुत सारे रिश्तों में मैं पहचानी जाती हूँ. मैं तो शशि कहती कि द बेस्ट रिश्ता आई एम एंजॉइंग इज बीइंग अ वाइफ. ओके, बट आई कांट से राइट नाउ बिकॉज आई एम अ विडो. So the best rishta I can't say I'm enjoying is being a widow. So I said, okay, set aside this relationship thing. So So we kind of agreed on thing that men and women, they are a cohesive society. Ardhanarishwar of Shiva. Shiva is incomplete if Nari is not there. And same way, if only Parvati is there, Shiva is not there, it's incomplete. इसीलिए मैंने लिखा है कि मेरी रचना रचयिता की समझदारी है. So he or she, the creator who created us, was very smart. He did not create masculinity alone. He brought feminism along with to have a balance. So we have almost 108 feminine characters which men can also have. For example, Kshama, that is forgiveness, patience, love, compassion. We, the women especially, we are born to love. The moment we become mother, the moment we conceive a seed within us, we start loving, caring, compassion. Okay? So our endurance can enhance multifold when we conceive. So यही लिखा है कि मेरी रचना रचयिता की समझदारी है, वरना बीज को अगर धरती न मिलती तो संसार की रचना कैसे होती. पर धरती भी बीज के बिना बंजर और अधकुंवारी है. कुदरत, धरती, ऋतु, शक्ति है मेरे कुछ नाम. शर्म, स्नेह, संतोष, संताप अगर मेरे गहने हैं तो संघर्ष, साधना, संतुष्टि, तृप्ति, समृद्धि है मेरी शक्ति का सम्मान. अब जैसे तुलसीदास जी ने कहा है कि जननी जने सो भक्त जन, या दाता या सूर, नहीं तो जननी बांझ रहे काहे गंवायो नूर. तो मैं आपको ये बता दूं कि जननी ने सिर्फ गुरु नानक, बुद्धा और क्राइस्ट को ही नहीं जन्म दिया. उसी जननी ने मीरा, यशोदा, माई भागो, नानकी, अहल्या, लक्ष्मीबाई, इनको भी तो जन्म दिया है ना. सो जननी ने सिर्फ आदमियों को ही पैदा नहीं किया, उन्होंने बहुत सारी खूबसूरत और स्ट्रॉन्ग औरतें भी पैदा की हैं. ओके, सो उसका एक बेसिक कैरेक्टर है पैदा करना, उसका एक बेसिक कैरेक्टर है प्यार करना. सो वी आर बॉर्न टू लव, not to create conflicts in people's life. We are not born to create a chaos in the world. We are not born to create a imbalance in power. We are born to bring harmony in the world. We are born to bring peace in the world. We are the peacekeepers. The word peace and love starts with us. It happens because we are here in this world. मैं रचयिता की समझदारी हूँ. मेरी रचना रचयिता की समझदारी है. लक्ष्मी, सरस्वती, संतोषी है मेरे हिजाब. We need to protect them. We don't have to waste our energies by not living wisely. We have no choice. If we are wise, we can upbring our children wisely. As Swami Vivekananda said, educate the women and leave them to themselves. They will figure out how the nations should work. लक्ष्मी, सरस्वती, संतोषी है मेरा हिजाब. दुर्गा, चंडी और काली है मेरा इनकलाब. राधा, मीरा, शकुंतला है मेरा प्रेम रस. यशोदा, धर्मा और माया है मेरा स्नेह रस. वैसे तो मैं अपने आप में पूरी हूँ, पर बीज के बिना अधूरी हूँ। मुझे भी बीज चाहिए। अगर मैंने सृष्टि का आगे संचार करना है तो बीज के बिना मैं भी अधूरी हूँ। पानी हूँ तो मैं नदी हूँ, मगर फिर भी जब समुंदर में मिल जाती हूँ तो महानदी कहलाती हूँ। मुझे महानदी बनने के लिए समुंदर की जरूरत है। आग हूँ तो मैं एक चिंगारी हूँ। आग हूँ तो मैं महज एक चिंगारी हूँ, मगर जब दिए से मिल जाती हूँ तो मैं लौ कहलाती हूँ। हवा हूँ तो मैं आंधी हूँ, मगर जब पेड़ से टकरा जाती हूँ तो मैं मन मस्त हवा कहलाती हूँ। मैं औरत हूँ, मेरी रचना रचायता की समझदारी है। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, हैव अ नाइस वंडरफुल डे and enjoy the day being a woman, and all the men who have wonderful women in their life, please celebrate. You are nothing without us, and we are nothing without you. Bye bye.